Today, we're going to be showing you how to trade like Warren Buffett using eToro smart portfolios. So if you've ever wondered how the pros make their moves and build their wealth, you're in the right place, as we're going to be exploring eToro's smart portfolios, which simplify mirroring the strategies of top traders like Warren Buffett, Ray Dalio, and Cathie Wood. And for more information about eToro and smart portfolios, please check out everybithelps.io. First up, a little bit about smart portfolios by eToro. So eToro's smart portfolios, formerly known as copy portfolios, are automated investment tools, and they're designed to make trading simple and accessible. They allow you to invest like top strategists such as Warren Buffett by mimicking their investment styles. And these portfolios are diversified across stocks, commodities, or ETFs and are managed by eToro's experts. This management includes automatic adjustments and rebalancing to match ongoing market strategies and conditions. With smart portfolios, you can get the expertise of seasoned investors and transparent controls over your investments, making it easier to aim for long-term gains without needing deep financial knowledge. First, you're obviously going to need to have an eToro account, and you can use our link in the video description below if you don't already have one. Once you've signed up or logged in, you're going to need some funds deposited into your account. And you can use eToro Money to deposit with zero FX conversion fees, or you can deposit with the likes of a card. Just so you're aware, with smart portfolios there is a minimum deposit amount of $500, as this ensures that there are enough funds to open all the different positions needed for the investment. eToro also have a virtual account that you can demo some trades with. If we head to the Discover tab now, over on the left-hand side of the screen, and choose Smart Portfolios from the top, we'll then see the most trending. Core portfolios using models by BlackRock, tech-focused portfolios, and those that are created by top financial partners, and this is where you'll find the likes of the Warren Buffett portfolio. Then at the very bottom of the page, you'll see the option to view all the portfolios. When I click onto that, you can then sort and filter through all the different portfolios available by popularity, performance, risk, and then you can refine in more detail. As you can see currently, some of the best returns are with crypto portfolios. Let's click on this one as an example. And for those of you that are familiar with eToro, you'll find that it's a very similar layout to the normal assets on eToro. Under our Overview tab here, we have the performance over time in a feed. And on the right is information, the top traded assets in the portfolio, and some similar traders. Next, under the Stats tab at the top here, we've got a description and a fact sheet. And then an important thing here is the asset allocation of how the portfolio is made up. We've got our performance again and some historical stats. And you'll find that if this is a newish portfolio, some will appear with stars beside the numbers, and these numbers will then be based on back-tested results. Under the Portfolio tab is the current holdings, and you'll have an indication of the current price and P&L. Then finally, under Charts, show some performance over time. And you may find that in certain countries or regions, trading of certain assets aren't available. If you were to go ahead with a cryptocurrency-based portfolio, they're open 24/7, so you can open the position at any time. Whereas with a stock market portfolio, you're going to need to wait until the markets are open. I'm going to show you another example now with stocks. And I'm going to click onto the Warren Buffett fund here. But this isn't financial advice and you must do your own due diligence when choosing a portfolio to mirror. So with this type of smart portfolio, you can copy the portfolio that Warren Buffett has and the distribution. But it's obviously important to be investing in something that you believe in, and if you think that something is going to go up in price, for example. So the screens and tabs are the same as the cryptocurrency portfolio that we were just looking at. But if we check out the Portfolio tab now, you'll see that there's lots more assets that make up this portfolio. And you can see the direction, the price, P&L value as a percentage, and the buy and sell prices. If you choose to invest in a portfolio, you simply choose the big green Invest button at the top here. And as you can see, it then displays the name of the portfolio and then its 12-month return. Then you'd need to enter in the amount in the center that you'd like to invest. And as we discussed, the minimum amount for smart portfolios is $500. And there's a stop loss section here too to help to prevent losses. This is defaulted to automatically stop investing if the smart portfolio value drops below 5%, which is $25. But you can change this amount by choosing to edit. Then use the plus and minus buttons to increase and decrease the amount. As you can see, there are minimum and maximum amounts that you can enter into here. Or you can choose this as a percentage instead. When you're ready, you can then choose to invest. And as I said, these type of stock portfolios will only be opened once the US stock markets are open. And meanwhile, this is just pending. So I'm going to fast forward a bit of time now until the markets are open. Then if I head to my portfolio from the left-hand side of the screen, here you'll see my smart portfolio, along with my profit and loss values and percentages and the value of this. And at the very bottom, you'll see how much cash that I've got available, invested, and a total profit and loss across all of my portfolio if I had more assets in here. When I click on this smart portfolio from the list, it then shows my investment and value, as well as how each asset in this portfolio is performing. And at the bottom is the total open and closed. If after some time you're happy with how this is going and you want to increase your investment amount, you can click on the green button at the top here, where you'll then see the option to add more and your available balance. As it states here, after adding funds, your copy will automatically rebalance to stay in sync with this investor, and you'll notice this in a moment. And the stop loss will remain at what we've set it to, which in my case was 20%. I'm just going to increase this now to an extra $250. As you can see, that's the minimum. And then update. And that's now rebalancing. If we then click on the three dots, you'll see that you can also pause your investment at any time, and in this way any new trades won't be opened. Alternatively, if you want to close your investment, maybe to realise your profits or simply withdraw your funds, click on the three dots again and choose this from the list. And it'll ask you to confirm your choice, notifying you that once you close it, all the positions will be closed. And you then get a summary of this investment, and the red button stops investing. And all the positions in the smart portfolio will then begin to close. And once that's complete, your funds will then go back to your available balance to do with what you wish. But that's how you can mirror popular investors or traders with eToro smart portfolios. And I hope you enjoyed this video today, and if you did, then please give me a like, hit the subscribe button, and please do head over to our website at everybithelps.io for more tips, reviews, and step-by-step guides.